Okay, I'm gonna do a playlist on auto body. I'm fixing this truck for a friend just to get it safety. He's not worried about what it looks like. He just wants these rust holes fixed so that it can pass the safety. So I'm gonna make some videos on how to make patches, because you can't really get, this is an old International half ton. You can't really get panels for it. So I'm gonna make patches and just pieces together, and I'm gonna use this Fusor 108B metal bonding adhesive and glue the patches on. Now this isn't the way I would do a restoration vehicle, but this glue works really good. If you fix cab corners or rockers with this glue, it does last really well. It's completely waterproof once you put it on, and it bonds to metal just like you welded it. So it's actually a good repair for the amount of time it takes compared to welding and grinding. So yeah, there'll be a playlist in the this coming week on how I fix this. Hope it helps somebody.